It all started with Poppy and one old spade. He said, "Here's your shovel, now go get paid." With dirt on his boots and a grin on his face, he built super junkers with heart and with grace. No mess was too messy, no junk was too large. With Poppy out front, he's always in charge. If there's a job nearby, you can bet he'll be there, supervising it all with that "don't you dare" stare. Stack it and pack it, we clear it with pride. With Poppy out front, there's no place to hide. From fridges to couches, we haul it away. Super junkers won't stop till the mess calls it a day. Poppy never smokes cigs, but a cigar, oh yeah. You'll smell that sweet oak when the cleanup's in play. He met George Bush just walking one day, shook his hand and said, "I haul more than you anyway." His twin brother Bob is the project manager pro. If you've got a big job, that's the guy you should know. They work hand in hand like hammers and nails, a team built on grit and legendary tales. Stack it and pack it, we clear it with pride. With Poppy out front, there's no place to hide. From fridges to couches, we haul it away. Super junkers won't stop till the mess calls it a day. He's got more great-grandkids than he can count, but he still finds time for a cleanup account. From garages to basements, he's seen it all. When Poppy's on site, the junk starts to fall. You'll see him on site with a watchful eye, cigar in his hand as the trucks roll by. No fuss, no frills, just wisdom and grit. With Poppy in charge, there's no room to quit. Stack it and pack it, we clear it with pride. With Poppy out front, there's no place to hide. From fridges to couches, we haul it away. Super junkers won't stop till the mess calls it a day. So here's to old Poppy, the man with the spade, the king of the cleanup, the legend he made. With Bob as his brother and business as kin, super junkers don't stop till the whole job is win.